Hey guys, this is Akaya. I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today I am showing you my new client. She has really curly hair and really soft hair. Her texture is really soft. She actually came in, you see all the new growth that she has. She came in for a retwist, but I let her know that she needs to get a interlocking. Anytime you have a soft texture hair and you got your actual locks grow away from the new growth grow away from the actual lock, it is best to do interlocking. You see how I got the locks looking all cylindricate. All of the new growth is inside of the hair. She wind up having a long piece, and you guys know anytime my client have a really long piece, always make sure I go ahead and trim it. See, don't that look even better just being trimmed? Her color was beautiful. I love the color of her hair because it's like a blonde gray. It's not black gray like how some people is. I'm showing you the top. Her hair was very loose. That's why interlocking really worked for her. So we are done. See, you see how that is? And now she don't got to worry about no unraveling. Sometimes when you retwist, you can get unraveling. So again, if you have curly texture hair, try to get your hair interlocked. Make sure you look on it. Always make sure you look it up. But there we go, guys. Hopefully that helps someone out there. If you having a retwist and don't stay retwisted, try the actual interlocking method. Okay, don't forget to follow, contact me now, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Be blessed.